Plan for the day, boys? I don't know. We're starting off in Fussen, which is the town near the big Neuschwanstein castle, and then we're heading off into Munich. We're gonna go to Dachau because there's a war thing in Dachau. So I'm probably gonna go have a look at that, see what that's all about, learn some history, and then we'll be in Munich for 3 days, and then we go home. That's what we're doing, that's the plan. So today's been a slow one for the vlog. We left Fussen, we went to Dachau. Dachau, if you don't know, Dachau back in World War II was a big concentration camp. It was the first concentration camp. Anyway, so we went there, very interesting, historical, but also very sad and very somber. Also, while we were there, absolutely pissed down, so we got soaking wet. Anyway, we made it to Munich. We dropped the car off. On the way to drop the car off, we went past the SAP Garden, which is the ice arena for the Red Bull, Munich Red Bulls. Got myself the Red Bull jersey for the old ice hockeys. And now we're in the hotel. So seeing as this vlog is going to be low on content, it's time for a hotel room tour. Let's go, boys. Hallway, classic. Here, bathroom. Come and have a look. You just got your classic little tiny bathroom. Look at that, nice little sink. Big old mirror, shower. Another mirror, so you can see the back of your head. It's quite good, actually. Coming into the main bedroom. We have one, Laura. Oh, I've got wardrobe over here. Come see the wardrobe. Shelf. Another shelf. Another shelf. Bottom shelf. You got one of these things to put your... Actually, it's a bit handy, this. Put your little... Put your bag on it. Oh, that's quite good, actually. What's the bag on? It's over there. Ah, let's just lock that on. Get the bag going. Boom. That's the room tour. Right, boys, we are in Munich, outside. We're outside the Frauenkirche. I can't say that. Frauenkirche. It was built 1468. Obviously, it's got the big 2 towers. That's nice. Oh, there's apparently like the devil's footprint somewhere, and you can like see that. That's here. Yeah, devil's footprint. So we'll go have a look at that. That's all I got. Today, obviously challenge-wise, I've not done half the ones. I bought that Red Bull Munich ice hockey jersey, so that's buy something German. See something German, here we are. So that's 2. Did I speak in German today? Guten Tag. 5 bitte. And eat German. I've not eaten anything German. I had a pretzel in the car, but I didn't film that. Fuck the challenges for today. It's a short vlog. We'll see you tomorrow. Peace.